Dear viewers, hello there. I hope you're having a great day. Today, I want to talk to you not about a car or a motorcycle, but about a new type of vehicle, an eco-friendly scooter that represents both the present and the future. The star of today's video is the Segway ZT3 Pro scooter. I'll be sharing everything you need to know about this vehicle in this video. If you'd like to see more content like this, please let me know in the comments. Now, if you're ready, let's dive into the video. One, exterior design. The Segway ZT3 Pro showcases a blend of modern design and durability. Its sharp, aerodynamic lines give the scooter a sleek and practical appearance. The front LED headlights not only enhance visibility during nighttime rides, but also reflect Segway's innovative approach to mobility. The high-quality materials and matte finishes used in the body lend a premium feel to the scooter. Additionally, the wide tires and disc braking system ensure a safe and stable riding experience. Two, interior and rider comfort. The handlebar features a large, easy-to-read digital display that shows vital information such as speed, battery level, and riding modes. The ergonomic handlebar design and the comfortable seat make even long rides enjoyable. The spacious footboard provides ample room, accommodating riders of varying heights. Underneath the seat, there's a storage compartment, which is incredibly handy for daily commuting needs. 3. Technology. The ZT3 Pro is packed with advanced technology. It integrates seamlessly with the Segway Ninebot app via Bluetooth, allowing users to adjust speed limits, monitor battery performance, and track the scooter's location. Its smart locking system adds an extra layer of security, while the regenerative braking system recovers energy during braking, making battery usage more efficient. And 4. Power and performance. Equipped with a 3 kilowatt electric motor, the ZT3 Pro delivers exceptional performance for both urban commuting and short distance travel. It boasts a top speed of 70 to 80 kilometers per hour, 43 to 50 miles per hour, and offers a range of approximately 120 kilometers, 75 miles on a full charge. The scooter's impressive torque makes uphill climbs effortless, and its multiple riding modes adapt to different terrains with ease. 5. Pros and cons. Pros. High range capacity. Ideal design for urban commuting. Advanced technological features with app support. Quiet and eco-friendly motor. Cons. Longer battery charging time. Slightly expensive compared to competitors in its segment. Rear suspension may not perform optimally on extremely rough terrains. Now 6. Maintenance and price. Electric scooters like the ZT3 Pro require minimal maintenance. Regular battery charging, tire pressure checks, and periodic brake inspections are sufficient to keep it in top condition. The Segway ZT3 Pro's price varies by region, but typically falls between $3,500 and $4,500. Top 7. Market competition. The ZT3 Pro enjoys significant popularity across Europe, the US, and Asia. It faces tough competition from models like the Xiaomi Mi scooter series and NIU scooters. However, Segway's established reputation and the ZT3 Pro's advanced features give it a competitive edge. In particular, its strong presence in the European premium scooter segment is noteworthy. The Segway ZT3 Pro is an excellent choice for those seeking an eco-friendly, tech-savvy, and reliable scooter. It caters perfectly to users looking for both style and comfort in their daily commutes. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any experiences with this scooter or want to know more, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, take care and see you in the next video.